part of a bad dream was walking through the corridors again. Smell of food from the kitchen and all the young faces from the past. Sons of sailors dropped by their parents, Saint Mary, you've been a help to me, and you stole away my childhood. You got me into drinking to kill the pain. Fathers, you were supposed to give us love, but some of you abused the meaning of that word. Yeah, your sons of bitches, you raped so many souls. You all got away with it by the silence of the past. You must be all dead by now, when I feel the anger inside, and I hope you will be punished. Yeah, I sure hope you'll be punished by the one you pray to. Dank u wel. Merci. I came home one rainy night, just before the morning light. Guitar case in the corner, next to my boots and jeans. Got the coins out of my pocket, no need to count this misery. Some treat you like a rambling dog, some treat you like a king. That's the way it's always been. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Yeah, I sing out all evening in the noisy, crazy bar, where the people love to party, no matter what song I sang. some didn't even notice there was someone on their stage. Yeah, some treat you like a rambling dog, and some treat you like a king. But that's the way it's always been. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. I better get some sleep. I'm tired and lonely and I got sore feet. Stumble upstairs to find my bag. The old couch hurts my back. Feel like an old man tired. Tomorrow I'll see that same old blues again. Some treat you like a rambling dog, and some treat you like a king. Well, that's the way it's always been. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Some treat you like a rambling dog, and some treat you like a king. Well, that's the way it's always been. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Sometimes you lose, sometimes you win. Dank u vriendelijk, merci.
Jacques, nog één vraag. Treed je nog op in de buurt, toevallig?
Nou, heel toevallig vanavond.